What's up, everybody? Welcome to another week on the #1 show on the TV. It's definitely pretty. As you can see behind me, we are here at the National Indoor Sports Arena for another Jamfit Cheerleading Championship Finals. So for the next half an hour, entertainment and lifestyle, your style, right here on Predis with your host, Cruddy. Follow us up on Twitter because Predis start right now. Keep it locked. Now, recently we were up in Norbrook for a big bad party called Lush. Now, if you weren't there, you need to check it out because most of the whole team, whole bunch of stars, and a wonderful environment. Check it out, Lush, right here, Predis.
Come, girl. Take your time with the body, darling. Not on a 6:30 because you're back in our man. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. And your body good and me want to touch you. And your body good and that's why me love you. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Back it up with me tip on your tar. Sexy me love that tick for me slaw. Wind up your hip, ride rhythm for me slaw. Pretty body ma me pose, 6 that me know. For me know fi bubble bubble quick for me now.
All right, tell me about the whole concept of the party.
Basically, it named Lush, the City of Angels, you see me? So, we have girls walking around with angels' wings, you see me? So, we try to give a different vibe to the people them. Because normally, people just about a normal name to a party and don't really have a theme. So, we try to bring something different. Right?
Tell me about the DJs you have and how you went about selecting these DJs.
Wawa, you know, people love Wawa. It's just vibes. And here Wawa, here vibes. And Chromatic right now is the hottest thing, you know? So you have to have Chromatic at the party, you know? And then you have DJ Dan, and you have Chris Monty. Chris Diamond, sorry.
Lush, wonderful music, wonderful vibe. And look right now to my right and my left. Wonderful females. Ivana, what's up?
I'm good. Everything is going great.
Yeah. Tell me how you really feel about this party right now.
I'm feeling really good. We have a great amount of shows. The sponsors are here, everybody's just having fun.
No matter what, you don't know it's all about Predis right now. The party shot, the party turn up. And look there, one bag of star. Nico, JR, Nico, what you dealing with? Predis. Hear me say now, JR, what you have to say?
Yeah, right now we just a Predis in a Lush with the dog.
All right.
Yeah.
So Nico, anybody want to do at the party right now, what you have to say to them? Predis, look on it and don't take a half fight. Keep it locked. Now the finals of the Miss Jamaica World will be held on July 21st down in Montego Bay. And these ladies are amazing. Watch this feature to meet some more of these wonderful ladies competing in this competition. Check it out right here on Predis. Oh.
What are you looking forward to most about the pageant?
Everything, every moment. I'm going to treasure every moment, everything I can get in, everything I can learn. That's what I'm here for.
I've chosen to enter this competition this year mainly for the reason that I've always been in receipt of encouragement from family and friends, but I have been shying away from the competition. I chose this year as my year to defy fear and to give it my best shot, go for it, and to see what opportunities it may bring me.
It's going to be fun and you get to learn a lot of new things, etiquette, business etiquette. You learn how to walk, you get to dress up and be pretty, and I'm normally a tomboy somewhat. So this experience should be a very good experience for me.
Again, because in 2010 I felt like I kind of shorted myself and I really wanted another chance at it again. And this year especially, I feel that the package that they're offering, for example, a lot of the training courses are not focused on winning the crown, it's focused on self-development. And I think that's really good for a lot of the girls in the competition because it's not paying attention to we're training one winner, but it's training 25 girls to become the best them.
Well, mostly I'm looking forward to meeting new friends. I'm also looking forward from gaining the total amount of experience that I can from this competition. That's basically what I'm looking forward to, just bettering myself as a human being that could possibly go out there and help the world.
Ever since I was little, I always wanted to enter Miss Jamaica World, and now that I have the opportunity, I just thought that, I should just do it and pursue my goals and my dreams that I've always wanted to do. You only have life to live once, right? So why not do it?
I entered this competition because I also want to prove to myself and to my community that persons that are considered to be beautiful externally also have internal beauty as well, that we stand for something greater, that we're able to give back to our communities, to give back to the environment, to encourage, to actually view and help persons that are disabled that cannot help themselves. So that's why I entered this competition, and I'm really looking forward to it.
I decided to enter the competition because I do believe that by entering, I will better myself as a person, both physically and internally.
I was looking for something new. I wanted the experience of a lifetime. I wanted something that would mold me into the woman that I'd like to become, and this competition just does just that. Not only after the coronation show, but it's preparing us to be women of the world, career women, professional women, mothers, wives. So I'm very excited to be in this competition.
I cannot wait to just continue to network and meet more influential people in the community. Also, I'm looking forward to the trip to Dolphin Cove, swimming with the dolphins. That should be fun.
It is certainly fun. But talk to us about where you grew up, what schools you attend, how old are you?
Well, I'm 23 years old. I was born and raised here in Jamaica. I migrated to the United States when I was 8 years old. And now I attend Broward College in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And I travel back and forth frequently.
This time around, more than anything else, it's not just about winning a title and securing a crown, as every girl wants to wear a crown. It's about the experience. The Miss Jamaica World Foundation has headed several charities over the decades that it has been established, and as such I look forward to working with these charities most, as I believe that in giving back is the best that we can do as human beings.
After doing my own research, I realized that Miss Jamaica World is not only about beauty, it's beauty with a purpose, and they're big humanitarians, and I think it's a wonderful opportunity to give back to society, and I'm honored to be here, just being a part of it.
I am from Kingston. I'm born and bred in Kingston. I'm a town girl. I'm 23 years old. I used to go to University of the West Indies, and I'm also a St. Andrew High School young lady. Of course, one of the best high school. And I am currently working as a teller.
It's a Jam Fit cheerleading competition. Of course, Preetie's in the building. And we are here with DJ who?
DJ Stuggy.
DJ Stuggy. How are you enjoying the competition so far?
It's nice so far, you know. See a lot of cheerleaders going on well. Some nice things going on here today.
All right, so right here on Preetie's, and guess what? Let's find out what's going on over at Margaritaville. Find out, because really and truly, the events calendar. Turn up Margaritaville, check it out.
Sound a bounce and the place a full up. Sexy girl, now me can't get enough. Girl a good on pie, that me love. I murder when me step in at the club. Selector to the top in at the soul. Music a bounce and lyrics by the tons, and me high grade sent from above. We tell them. You are not for this. Yo, me nah miss #1 funny list. The girl them a twist waistline can't resist.
All right, that's it for Margaritaville. Keep it locked to Preetie's to find out a lot more about what's going on down in that wonderful chill spot. But guess what? We're going for our first commercial break, and it's brought to you by Rum Bar White Overproof Rum. Remember, it's Preetie's, the #1 show on TV. Keep it locked. Pursue forward.